Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to read charts in stock market for trading. There are different ways to read charts for trading, okay? So there are different kind of time frames and different kind of studies and different kind of charts, okay? So it depends on the candlestick chart and the time frame what you're seeing, okay? So and also it depends, are you doing intraday trading or personal trading, okay? So you can see it in a very different time frames also, okay? In this video I will teach you a very simple trick to identify stock trend, okay? So the first thing what you will be learning in this video is how you can identify a stock trend, and also you can know when to buy or sell a stock, okay? So I'll be teaching you this two important trick in this video. The first one is how to identify a stock trend, and also I'll be teaching you when to buy or sell a stock, okay? So make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, you guys can see here, these are the candlesticks, okay? So every candlestick will have its open, high, low and close value. So if you guys can't see the open, high, low, close value in the chart like how I'm showing you, you guys can hit this info button in your Zerodha kite chart. Okay, so many people have this question that they can't see the open, high, low of a candle data. So if you want to see a candle data, make sure you click this info button, okay? So this is an info button. So once you click that info button, so you can see the candle data. So whichever candle you place the cursor on, you can see that candles open, high, low and close, okay? And one more thing, if you guys are not able to see this vertical line on the candle what I'm placing, then select this plus button, okay? So this is called as crosshair. So if you enable this, you can see how you get this line, and you can see wherever I place my cursor on whichever candle I place, it will show you the data, and that's how you can enable, that is crosshair and info, okay? So this is a little important thing for a beginners who didn't know how to see the candle data, that is open, high, low, close, and also how to turn on the crosshair, okay? So now we'll be talking about the trick in this video. So before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. You can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these videos, and also every day I upload like the live trade what I do. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. In my course, I'll be guiding you personally like how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading, okay? And it's a one-time payment. You'll be getting lifetime support. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced, okay? So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and learn all the important techniques to make consistent profit in intraday trading. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today, okay? So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, okay? So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital, okay? That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let me tell you the trick itself, okay? So first of all, we'll be talking about the time frame. So time frame, you can use 5 or 15, okay? So this is for intraday trading. So if you're a intraday trader, the best time frame will be 5 and 15, and yes, you can use 1 minute also, 30 minutes also, but for the time being, for this trick, to apply, and for this trick to work good, we'll be using 5 or 15. Okay, so we'll use 5 now, and the first study what you have to use is pivot points. Okay, so you can use pivot points. The pivot points, what it does is it will tell you where the support and resistance level is. Okay, so for a stock what you open, it will tell where the support and resistance level is. Okay, so the above red line what you see is a resistance level, and the below line what you see is support level. Okay, so basically it's a very simple thing. So support is a place where people come to buy the stock, and resistance is a place where people come to sell the stock. Okay, but sometimes the resistance will get converted as a support, and sometimes the support will get a breakdown and the stock will go down also. Okay, so pivot point will tell you support and resistance level, but how will you identify which support or resistance level is working or where you will buy? So to identify that, that's where the exponential moving average will come to our help. Okay, so for that we'll be going to studies again, and we'll just type moving average here and click. The first period will be 200. Okay, and you can select whichever color you like. The first one will be red, so let's give it as a red itself, and go to the type and select exponential. So 200 moving average exponential, the first one will be a red color, and click on done, and come to the studies again, and then go to again moving average, and here you will type 20, and this you have to change the color. You can't keep both as the same color, you'll get confusion. So to avoid that confusion, we will use blue as a second color. Okay, so this is 200 mA and this is 20 EMA. Okay, so now after placing this, okay, so I'll tell you a simple thing now. So whenever you see a crossover happening like this, okay, so let me just show you. So this is a crossover happening. So whenever you see a crossover happening like this, and if the candles are above it, that means the stock is in a bullish manner. So now I am not telling you to buy it as soon as you see the crossover like this or something. You have to wait. Okay, so when this crossover is happening, that means the stock is in a bullish manner, that means it's in a buy trend. Okay, now you have to buy it once it takes the support here. Okay, so here you can see the pivot line, the red pivot line. This was a resistance, but now it is getting converted as a support, because here you can see by using this 2 EMA we have identified the stock is in a bullish way. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to wait for a support level. Okay, so here also you can see the stock has touched this pivot line and it has tried to go up. Okay, even if you have bought it here, it is fine, the stock has gone up. And here what you can see here, it is a retracement happening from a support level. The stock has come down from here, it is taken a support and it has gone up. Okay, so now the question is where you will buy. Okay, so once a stock forms a good buy level, I mean the good bullish candle comes up near the support, then that's when you will buy. Okay, so here you can see it is an pin bar candle formation, so we would not take an entry on it. So just wait for the support level to touch. Okay, whenever you see this trend crossover, so wait for that support level to touch, and once the support level is touched, or once it comes down and then goes back and recovers, and once you find this candle is been formed, then you can buy it. Okay, so you can buy it once this candle high breaks. Okay, so this candle high was 460.35, and if you have bought it here, the stock went all the way up till 463. Okay, and also if you can see, still continuing to went up, and it went up till 464, so almost like 4 rupees target, which is almost like 1% of the stock. And yes, you know the market is very volatile now, so you can, the maximum target for the trade what you can keep is 1%, or if you are a more safe trader, you can keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss, or 1% target and 0.5% stop loss, which will be safe. Okay, so this is how to take a trade by using these two indicators which are helpful. Okay, so these are not an indicators actually, like not a complicated indicators like MACD or RSI. These are just an EMAs and the pivot points. Okay, and I'll tell you when not to take a trade now. Okay, and also I'll show you some of the example which will make you understand easily. So you should not take any trade when you see a broad opening like this. Okay, and there is no crossovers like this. Okay, so this is a broad opening, so you should not take a trade like this. Okay, you should only take a trade whenever you see a crossover, a fresh crossover happening in a day. Okay, so let me show you some examples so that you'll get an idea. Okay, so now, okay, coming back here, so here you can see what is happening exactly. Okay, so here is a crossover happening, okay, to the sell side. Okay, the sell side crossover is being happening, and here you can see that the stock is telling that it is in a downward position. Okay, so the crossover is here. Okay, and the stock is trying to come up here, but it is not coming, and here you can see it has taken a resistance level, and from here the stock has come down. So here in this time also you can take a sell entry once this candle low breaks. Okay, so the candle low was 461.65 something, and you can see the stock made all the way till 457. And one more thing, you can see here this indication is given like around afternoon. Okay, so it has given around afternoon like 1:45 or 2 o'clock, somewhere around here. So I suggest you to trade before 1 p.m or 2 p.m with this strategy. Okay, don't trade after 2 p.m because it's the last 1 hour of a trading session and you might not get a target at that time. So better avoid it and trade it before 1 p.m or 2 p.m to get a best accuracy for this trick. Okay, so now let's see the other chart example so that I can give you more clear idea. So yes, here you can see a good bullish formation happening again. Okay, so the red and the blue is giving a crossover to the buying side. Okay, so here is a crossover, and once you see a good green candle coming, you can take an entry. Okay, so let's see where a good green candle has come up. So here also I can see a good green candle has come up on this after the crossover. Okay, don't take an entry here itself, so you should take after the crossover. Okay, so let me just show you some example. So here is a crossover and here is a good green candle coming. So now what you have to do is you should wait for the green candle to break a high. So once the high is 462.8, so once it goes above that you can buy. Okay, so it has given a crossover up, it has went till 463, and you can see the stock easily went up till 468 and 469. Okay, so even that was a good example. So now let me take some of the other example and show you. So here is another example of Reliance, what you guys can see. Okay, so it is the previous day's chart, and here you can see it has given a crossover. Okay, this is a fresh day crossover. On that day only the crossover has happened, so now you can buy it right here. Okay, so you can see it is above the support, and this is a signal candle, what I can tell. And you can see the candle high is 2536.75. so once it goes above this you can buy. Just keep 10 paisa buffer, like 2536.85 is your buying value. So once you bought it above 2536, you can see here the stock went till 2554, and all day it continued going up. Okay, it almost went into 643. Okay, so this is how you can identify the trend, and you can identify where to buy or where to sell. And also I'll show you one clear example for short selling here. So you can see there was a narrow opening. Okay, and after that there was a crossover happening here for the sell side, and a red candle is also being formed. So what you can do is you can just mark this red candle low, and once this candle low breaks you can short sell for a small target. Okay, 2493 is a low here, and you can see the stock made almost like 10 points target here, 2481. So yeah, 0.5% target was easily achievable. So that's how you can see. And here is an example for no trade entry. So you can see broad opening of EMAs, and you cannot take a entry here until the crossover is happening. Okay, so whenever it's a broad opening and there's no crossover happening, then don't take an entry. Okay, so that's how you see it. And here is an example for buying again. So let me just show you. So red EMA here and blue EMA here. So the blue EMA should cross over the red EMA, and once that crossover is happening, just simply see like where that candle is where the candle has formed in that crossover area. Okay, so this is a crossover area and this is a green candle. So once this green candle high breaks, okay, so you can take an entry. 2471 is a high, so 2471.10 is your buy entry, and you can see how well the stock went up. Okay, and also there is a pivot support level, so it took a support at 2471 and it went all the way till 2509, almost 30 points in just few minutes. Okay, so this is how the trick is working, and also you can use it in both 15 and 5 minutes candle. Okay, so according to your comfortability you can use 5 and 15 both. So yes, this is a little trick to identify the trend and identify where to buy and where to sell. Okay, so this is a very basic video. I can tell you, like, even if you are a beginner for a trading, you can just practice these little things and identify the trends. Okay, so if you guys want to learn more accurate strategies without any of these indicators and want to learn how to make consistent profit, and if you guys wish to get my personal guidance, you can WhatsApp me on the number displayed on the screen. So I'll be guiding you personally about how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and you can just go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trade video what I have uploaded. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to get all the knowledge like this, you can join us now. So in my course I'll be teaching you the strategies with no indicators like this, and how you can easily pick the stocks for intraday trading, and all the things will be covered in my course. Okay, and also the course price are very less and reasonably priced, so you guys can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.